Prime factorization. Prime factorization. Composite factors can be broken up into other factors. If factors are all prime, it is a prime factorization. Prime factorization method. Let us find prime factors of the number 32. Write 32 as product of smallest prime number 2 and the other number 16. 16 is composite. Write 16 as product of smallest prime number 2 and the other number 8. 8 is composite. Write 8 as product of smallest prime number 2 and the other number 4. 4 is composite. Write 4 as the product of smallest prime number 2 and the other number 2. Stop now, as the last row has only prime numbers. Is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 32? Yes, it is. Division method of prime factorization. We have 36 to find prime factorization. 36 is divisible by 2. 18 is divisible by 2. 9 is divisible by 3. Here we get the quotient 3. Stop here as we get prime quotient. The prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Highest common factor, HCF. 12. We have the factors of 12. They are 1 is the first factor. 12 is the other factor. 2 is the second factor. 6 is another factor. 3 is the third factor. 4 is the another factor. 4 is the fourth factor. Oh, factor is repeating. We stop here. Therefore, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 18. We have the factors of 18. They are 1 is the first factor. 18 is the other factor. 2 is the second factor. 9 is another factor. 3 is the third factor. 6 is another factor. We stop here as the factors will repeat. Therefore, factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Let us try to find out common factors of 12 and 18. 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the common factors of the numbers 12 and 18. The highest common factor is a greatest one among all the common factors. The highest common factor from these factors is 6. Highest common factor is also called the greatest common divisor, GCD. The HCF of two numbers is the greatest number that divides both numbers without leaving any remainder. HCF using prime factorization method. Find the HCF of 24 and 32. Prime factorization of 24 is. Prime factorization of 32 is. Common factors of 24 and 32 are. Therefore, the highest common factor of 24 and 32 is. HCF using common division method by prime factorization. Find the HCF of the numbers 45 and 72. Arrange 45 and 72. Divide both by the lowest common prime number 3. We get 15 and 24. Again, divide 15 and 24 by the lowest prime number 3. We get 5 and 8. Stop here now, as there is no common prime number to divide 5 and 8. The HCF of 45 and 72 is the product of these common prime factors. The HCF of 45 and 72 is 9. Summary. Composite factors can be broken up into their factors. If factors are all prime, it is a prime factorization. The HCF of two numbers is the greatest number that divides both the numbers without leaving any remainder. That is all in this topic, students. Let us learn about lowest common multiple, the LCM, by prime factorization and common division method in our next topic. Keep learning!